Welcome to Linux. Today we gonna see how to install and configure MongoDB on Oracle Linux 8.8. MongoDB is a NoSQL database that provides high performance, high abilities, and automatic scaling. NoSQL database means it does not support SQL to re-entering or manipulating the stored data. MongoDB does not store data in tables. Instead, it stores data in the document structures similar to JSON. First, I am going to check the OS version by using the following command. The OS version of the Oracle Linux is 8.8. Next, I am going to create MongoDB repository by using the following command. Add those following contents. Save and exit from the file. Next, I am going to install MongoDB by using the following command. Give yes. Again give yes. Next I am going to start the MongoDBs by using the following command. Next I am going to enable the MongoDB by using the following command. Next I am going to check the status of MongoDB by using the following command. It is active and running. Next I am going to check the MongoDB version by using the following command. The MongoDB version is 5.0. Next I am going to connect to MongoDB server by using the following command. Now I connected the MongoDB server. Next I am going to create the database by using the following command. Next I am going to create a user for my DB database with a read and write access. Next Next, I am going to list the MyDB database user with the executing the following command. Next, I am going to drop a user by using the following command. Next, drop the newly created database by using the following command. Next, exit from the MongoDB. Again, create a user with admin privileges by using the following command. Create a user. Successfully added user. Next, I am going to log in the MongoDB server by using the user1 credential. Enter password. Now I connected the MongoDB server. This is the process to install MongoDB on Oracle Linux 8.8.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.